Recording the sewer line here today at 1215 Northeast 168th. Date's May 5th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out here at the southwest corner of the home, showing all the work that Bob Oates has done on this sewer repair project. So we're going to come back. We are now in the adjoining property to the south sewer line. We're going to come back onto the property, get a look at the sewer repair work. So coming back towards 1215's property line here. Here's our connection to the new PVC. We connected onto the existing PVC down at the property line. So our new PVC hooked onto the existing PVC there, 6-inch diameter. Coming back into a 4-inch diameter HDPE pipe burst now. So we are now in this black plastic HDPE pipe burst that we did. There's one of the welds in the burst there. A weld every 20 feet or so. And back into another repair. So there was a second excavation here. This is a SDR 35 PVC repair here as we come out of that black HDPE. We are still in 4-inch diameter pipe. And on the left side of the pipe right here, you see a tie-in. That is what serves the upper level of the house, the kitchen, the bathrooms up there. We're going to run a camera from that side after this recording to show the work that was done up on that part. But this is where that video is going to end right here, just so you can see that we've seen everything to that point. Coming back through the repair now immediately into a 4-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipeliner. This new flow cure-in-place pipeliner comes from that second excavation all the way back up to this clean out that I'm making this recording from. So I believe it was 50 some odd feet. Around a turn there. We're getting close back to the clean out now. So we're coming now into that SDR 35 PVC from that was installed as part of a repair up near the southwest corner of the home. On the right side of the pipe here, you're going to see a tie-in branch arm that serves the bathrooms upstairs on this side of the home. So coming back now into our clean out from the line that serves the downstairs portion, and we're going to get a look at the repair with the camera here. There's the repair, check valve, branch arm, and heading downstream. Now I'm going to pause this recording. We're going to run up to the upper level and record the rest of the line. Alright, still at 1215 Northeast 168th here. We are now going through the clean out. This was an existing clean out up at the southwest corner of the home. So dropping into this existing, appears to be ABS clean out. Come through a turn and drop immediately into our 4-inch new flow cure-in-place pipeliner. So we are in a new flow cure-in-place pipeliner that's going to shoot us down to another excavation / repair we did, where the kitchen line connects on the right side of the pipe right there, where the kitchen line connects to this main sewer line. We go through about a 12-foot section of SDR 35 PVC repair before we get into our HDPE 4-inch pipe burst. This HDPE 4-inch pipe burst is going to take us all the way down to that branch arm connection with the lower level of the house, weld right there, every 20 feet of weld. It's going to take us down to that lower level tie-in that we saw in the previous section of this video. Another weld there. And right down into our SDR 35 PVC repair. And then right here is where we join with that lower level plumbing and drain lines. And we're going to drop into this section of HDPE pipe burst that we've already seen as part of that video. So the rest of this line has already been seen as part of that other video. We're going to come back from here. I'm going to show you the last little bit, which is just the kitchen line. So I'm going to pause the recording, bring this camera back, and then show the kitchen line where we also install the liner. Alright, we are going to get ready to go down the last bit here, which is the kitchen, or the drain line that serves the kitchen sink. I'm going to drop into the clean out here. This was again an existing clean out for this line. We go immediately into our 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. About 17 feet of new flow cure in place pipe liner that comes down into our SDR 35 PVC repair. And from this point forward, we have seen the rest of this line. So we have now seen every section essentially of this exterior drain line that's been replaced. So everything outside of the home as far as drain lines to the property line has now been replaced. We have got footage of the entire repair. I'm going to end the video there. And there's that clean out there.